Kizza Besigye, a prominent Ugandan opposition leader, is currently at the center of a heated battle for justice. At 68 years old, he has been pushed to the brink, embarking on a hunger strike to protest his prolonged detention by the Ugandan military. This act of defiance, lasting approximately 1 week, has taken a severe toll on his health, forcing him to seek medical attention. He was admitted to a private clinic under heavy security, but was later returned to prison after undergoing tests. Besigye's lawyer, Arius Lukwago, confirmed the transfer to the clinic and expressed grave concerns about his client's deteriorating condition. The hunger strike highlights the desperate situation faced by Besigye, a man who has consistently challenged the Ugandan government and faced significant hurdles throughout his political career. His willingness to put his body on the line speaks volumes about his commitment to his cause and the urgent need for justice in Uganda. Besigye's detention stems from his apprehension in Kenya in November 2024. He was subsequently extradited to Uganda to face charges in a military court. The charges against him are severe, including illegal firearm possession, threatening national security, and treachery. Treachery in particular carries the weight of a potential death penalty. Despite the gravity of these accusations, Besigye has vehemently denied any wrongdoing. The decision to try Besigye in a military court has sparked intense controversy and raised serious questions about the fairness and transparency of the legal proceedings. This move directly contradicts a ruling made by Uganda's Supreme Court in January 2025. The court declared that subjecting civilians to military trials was unconstitutional, further fueling the debate surrounding Besigye's case. This controversial decision has drawn widespread condemnation from human rights groups and legal experts who view it as a blatant attempt to silence a vocal critic of the government. Kizza Besigye's life has been deeply intertwined with Ugandan politics. His story is one of both alliance and opposition, marked by a complex relationship with President Yoweri Museveni. Once a close ally and even personal physician to Museveni, Besigye's political trajectory took a sharp turn as he emerged as a formidable challenger to the president's authority. He has run for the highest office in the land 4 times, consistently advocating for democratic reforms and greater accountability within the government. While he has been less politically active in recent years, choosing not to contest the 2021 election, his detention and subsequent trial have thrust him back into the spotlight. His case has become a focal point for those concerned about shrinking political space and the erosion of civil liberties in Uganda. Besigye's plight serves as a stark reminder of the risks faced by individuals who dare to challenge entrenched power structures. The international community has not remained silent on the issue of Kizza Besigye's detention and trial. Human rights organizations and political figures from around the world have expressed deep concern over his treatment and called for his immediate release. Amnesty International has labeled him a prisoner of conscience, highlighting the politically motivated nature of his detention. The United Nations has also urged the Ugandan government to uphold due process and ensure a fair and transparent trial. Adding to the chorus of voices demanding justice, the Ugandan Medical Doctors Association has made impassioned pleas for Besigye's release on humanitarian grounds. They cite his deteriorating health as a result of the hunger strike and the urgent need for proper medical care. Besigye's wife, Winnie Byanyima, a respected figure in her own right as the director of the UN's HIV/AIDS program, has also been vocal in her condemnation of her husband's treatment. She remains steadfast in her belief that the charges against him are politically motivated and designed to silence dissent. She has called for international pressure to be brought to bear on the Ugandan government to secure his release.